Bring into your mind the uncertain situation that is upsetting you. Start by creating an image of this situation. The image may be as simple as a question mark. It may look like a question mark floating on a person, or a stick figure covered in pages of job ads from the newspaper. It could be a medical report, or a screen with a social media program open and a massive green question mark printed across the front of it. It doesn't matter what image you come up with, as long as it represents something unknown in the situation that concerns you right now. Now that you have an image in your mind, scan your body from head to toe. Notice any mild physical sensations that may be bothering you. It may be tension in your shoulders, a lump in your chest, or an ache in your forehead. The sensations may be mild or strong. Either are worth noticing. For now, choose to focus on the sensations that bother you the most. Imagine you're an artist exploring the extent of those physical sensations. Observe them quietly, as if you are encountering them for the first time in a quiet setting. Right now, they are not threatening, but interesting. Learn as much about the sensations as you can. If you were to draw a line around the sensations, where does the line start and where does it end? Is the line on the surface of your body, or inside you, or both? How far inside you does it go? Allow the line to transform into the image you had come up with earlier. Notice the image sitting on those physical sensations, merging together and separating, and merging again, until you see them as one. Sit quietly with the image for a moment. Is it moving or still? If it is moving, what pace is it moving at, and where does it move around your body? Notice any emotions that the image brings up. If your mind wants to engage with thoughts, just gently bring your mind back to focusing on the image and the physical sensations. And now, focus on the uncertainty that pervades the situation. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to take a slow breath in and allow it to surround the image. Okay, breathe in. Watch your breath as it surrounds the drawing. Allow your breath to interact with it, softening the internal sensations. Relax the muscles around it, accepting that the uncertainty affects your body in subtle ways. Allow your image to exist. You don't have to like it or want it, but just let it remain. Don't try to get rid of your reaction to the uncertainty. If it changes by itself, that's okay. If it doesn't change, that's okay too. Changing or getting rid of it is not the goal. You may find this difficult. You may feel a strong urge to fight with it or push it away. If so, just acknowledge this urge without giving in to it. Keep your attention on the image and its sensations, observing those sensations as they move around your body, and making space for their movement. Recognize the length of time it will take for the uncertainty in this specific situation to resolve. It may be a week, a month, a few months, or a year. When you find yourself getting worked up again, come back to this meditation, noticing the internal sensations that are present and allowing them to be there. The focus of the meditation is not to like the sensations, but to recognize their presence and to allow them to be there. Ignoring the sensations will take you into an increasing cycle of worry, whereas paying attention to them and allowing them to stay will help you develop patience and deal as effectively as you can within the limits of the situation. You can return to this exercise as many times as you need, remembering that the goal is to accept your situation and understand the effect it has on you. The goal is not to change the situation. It is not to like the situation. It is simply to give up the struggle with uncertainty and sit with it.